How to ship items in Carousell. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to ship items in Carousell. First, open the Carousell application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Next, tap on the Sell button located in the middle of your screen. You will then be prompted to select a category for the item you want to sell. Categories include options like mobile phones, bicycles, fashion items, luxury handbags, and cars. If you choose to sell a mobile phone, provide the following details. Select a brand like Apple, Google, or Samsung. Tap on Get Price Quotes. Select the specific model of your phone. Select the body condition of the phone. Describe the screen's physical condition. State the LED or LCD display condition. Indicate if the battery is genuine. Enter the battery health percentage. Mention any other problems with the phone. After filling in these details, click on Get Price Quotes again and review the quotes. Next, set up the cash-out process. Select your preferred cash-out method such as Quartz. Choose a preferred drop-off location. Select a drop-off location. Enter your name, email, and phone number. Once your item is sold, you will receive the buyer's details. Pack the item securely and print the shipping label or write the buyer's address on the package. Take the package to the selected drop-off location on the preferred date. After shipping, update the shipping status in the Carousell app and provide any tracking information to the buyer. Communicate with the buyer to confirm they received the item and that everything is in order. This helps ensure a smooth transaction and can lead to positive reviews. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.